Hello. Yes, students. Now we are going to study SHM, and to complete this in very short time, I am going to solve these questions on the basis of the principles. So, in this first question is that Miss, I'm going to tell you my objective is to explain the principle of the question, and in 1 and 2 minutes each question must be explained. This is a weighing machine. In this weighing machine, this is a man, and this is the plank. So if plank stops oscillating, so what will be the minimum, maximum, and real weight of the man? What is the weight maximum, weight minimum, and weight real weight? What will be? This is the question. In this, what is given? Amplitude of oscillations is given and time period is given. Amplitude of a SHM-A, and you may consider, let acceleration is a capital A is representing acceleration if you wish the use. So let's start. At the main position, weight of man, at the main position there will be no force. So at the main position there will be real weight, that is the mg. And when will be the maximum weight, whether spring is, this is moving upward, accelerating upward, so pseudo force will act downwards, and the pseudo force is due to the restoring force. Pseudo force, it is accelerating upward, pseudo force is downwards, so restoring force is downwards, both are equal. So in this case, mg plus ma is pseudo force, or if you wish, you may write mg plus ka restoring force, mg plus k, as you wish. And if it is coming downwards, it is compressed by amplitude A. This is A is amplitude. At amplitude there will be maximum acceleration. So minimum, when it is compressed, so restoring force will be outward, mg is downwards, restoring force upward, so its weight will be reduced. It is mg minus ma, or mg minus ka, f equal kx, x is a. So this will be the answer. This is the answer. This is. Any doubt? Please clear it. Next question is second question number 2. That is, in this question there is a motion SHM. Displacement at t equal 2 second. It is root 3 by 2 times of the amplitude. So what is the time period? In this, displacement is given. So write the equation of displacement. So as you know, displacement x equal x naught, or you may write amplitude A sin omega t. So x, this is the root 3 by 2a, root 3 by 2a equal a sin omega is to find, and time equal 2 second. It is given displacement at 2 second is this. So on simplification, this is a and a will be cancelled. I am writing upward. So root 3 by 2 equal sine omega into 2. So twice of omega, or omega equal, this is angle theta. So twice of omega equal sine 60 degree. This is sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So from this, when omega is 2 pi by t, you will substitute value, you will find the t. This is the question. Question number 3. In this case, there is SHM motion whose time period is t, and equation of SHM x equal 10 sin omega t. To find the velocity and acceleration at t equal 2 second. So velocity equation v equal a omega cos omega t. In this, a is 10 and omega 2 pi by t, or t value is this, cos omega t, and time at 2 second you have to find velocity. So you will find v. Next, similarly acceleration a minus omega square y equal minus omega square, and y equal a sin omega t. In this, omega t is given, so omega 2 pi by t, this is known, and amplitude a is not known. Sorry, this is given. A is 10 and sin omega t, you can say this is given equation. So x sin omega t equal x value, you will substitute x over here. This is the x. And omega 2 pi by t, t is 10. This is the answer. Next question is this. In this, you have to tell there is SHM motion and time period is 16 seconds. And what is given? At t equal 2 seconds, particle passes through mean position. So what is the velocity at t equal 4 seconds? Sorry, it is given. Velocity at t equal 4 seconds equal 4 meter per second. So what is the acceleration? What is the acceleration? This is the amplitude. Sorry, amplitude. What is amplitude? This is to tell you. So in this case, please think. I am giving you 1 second. In this, velocity is given. Velocity is by formula omega times root a square minus y square. This is the velocity. And omega time period is given, so omega 2 pi by t, this is given. Amplitude is to find you. Velocity is given 4 meter per second. This is the 4. Omega is given. Amplitude is to find you minus y square. Value of y, how will you find y? I am telling you. y equal a sin omega t. So in this, one thing is given. Practically, this velocity at t equal 4 second, with a particle reaching at the main position at t equal 2 second. This implies all time and measurement we take from the main position. So let particle is reaching over here. So particle takes time main position to this is 2 second. 2 second. This is. Keep in mind. In 2 second. So y, you can find y equal a, this is given sin omega t. Omega is 2 pi by t, 2 pi by t, and time is 2 seconds. On simplification, t is 16. You will simplify, you will find y, and this is to substitute. Y will be in terms of a. This is 16. This will be 2 to the 4, 4 out of 16, 4 out of 16. So pi by 4, and sin 45 a by root 2. So y equal a by root 2. This is y value is substitute. You will find a. Y, this equation will be in terms of a, and you will simplify. So importance in this question was this, that it was given that at t equal 2 second, particle passes from the main position. At t equal 4 second, velocity is 2 meter per second. So this implies all measurements and time taken from the main position. So from main position, time will be at this point, where the velocity is 4 meter per second. At 2 second, displacement at 2 second. This is the velocity. So I am taking what is the this is the velocity at t equal 4 second. At velocity at t equal 2 second. In question it is given 4 second, but it is, you will take 2 second is 4 meter per second. So 4 meter per second is a velocity, whether the velocity at t equal 2 second, at 2 second only you have to take displacement. Meaning is this, whether particle is reaching over here at this point, this displacement at this point, this is the y, amplitude is a, and at this point velocity is 4, and from this to this time is 2 seconds. In question it is given 4 seconds, because question is this, particle reaching at 2 seconds at the main position. This implies they are saying the particle at t equal 0, particle is not over here, particle is this side or this side. This is the question. After 2 seconds, particle is reaching where? At the main position. This is. So question is like this. I am reading the question and please listen. Question is, a particle execute simple harmonic motion with time period of 16 seconds. At time t equal 2 seconds, the particle crosses the main position, while at t equal 4 seconds, its velocity is 4 meter per second. Find its amplitude of motion. This is the question. Next question is this. This is the next question. Y equal 4 cos square t by 2 sin 100t. This is the question. In this, find the this is the SHM. This equation motion is SHM, and find the constituents of the SHM. Practically, this is the superposition of SHM motions. Constituent is to find u. In this case, you can write it. I am writing, I am rubbing it. SHM equation, y is 4 cos square t by 2 sin 100t. So cos square function can be written in 1 plus cos 2 theta equal cos square theta. By this it is 2, and 1 plus cos 2 theta t by 2. 1 plus cos 2 theta equal 2 cos square theta, and sin 100t. On opening, you will find twice of sin 100t plus twice of sin 100t and cos t. So this is twice of sin 100t plus 2 sin a cos b equals sin a plus b and plus sin a minus b. So that is sin a plus b. This is a and this is b. This is 101t and plus sin a minus b, that is 99t. So a trigonometrical function in sine and cos, these are SHM functions. So this is the SHM. Cos and sine linear function is SHM. So this is the SHM function, this is SHM, and this is SHM. So there are 3 components, 3 equations. One SHM equation, second, and this is the third. And next question is this. So in this case, there is a motion, and in this, at t equal at 45-degree angle, t is 0, and the motion is taking along this like this. So projection along x-axis is to right u. I am showing that question to this side. In this case, this is so question is at t equal 45, at t, this is a 45-degree, at t equal 0, it is start from this point. Let at time t it is reaching at over here, at time t, so draw perpendicular line over here. So this is the x, and in this triangle, projection is to tell you what is the projection along x-axis. This is the question. Whether particle racing, it's moving with angular velocity omega and anti-clockwise. So this projection is this is, and this is, you can say this is the omega t. So in this, you may write x equal omega, sorry, amplitude times of trigonometrical function will apply. This is amplitude a or radius a sin omega t plus 45 degree. This is the answer. Projection along x-axis 45 omega t. Next is, if this is not moving this side, not anti-clockwise, this is the clockwise and is starting from this point. Second question is question number 2. At t equal 0, particle is at this point and it's moving along this. At time t, let it is reaching over here. Projection along x-axis is to find you. No matter, आप इसको ऐसे ज्वाइन करिए, join it. Now, in this it is given t equal 30 second time period, and in this time period t equal 4 second and nothing else. So at t equal 0, particle is tracing with angular velocity omega along this. So this is the omega t. Draw perpendicular line. So this is the x. Let it is theta. So x equal a cos theta. This is a cos, and theta is 90 minus omega t. This is pi by 2 minus omega t. This is the projection along the x-axis. So like this you will find. Okay, best of luck. In case you have any problem, please confirm. My view is to provide you, to give you concept in very short time. Okay, best of luck. In case you have any problem, please discuss me and please subscribe. Man, so many videos will be loaded very soon. Best of luck.